Alright guys, this week we are going to be doing the rest of the teardown on the Renegade, along with reviewing the wheels and tires that we got going on this. Some of you guys already know the tires we got going on it. To be 100% honest, I know what wheels these are, but I have not actually opened these to see them in person. They are 20-inch wheels. One thing we find hard is finding 25 or wheels that are 35 inches tall that fit anything other than 20-inch wheel. Not much out there. Oh, there's the wheel for you guys. That's what it looks like. Just kidding. That's the wheel running. MSA wheels. What ones are these again? Sorry, I apologize. I forget. They are the MO51s. We went all black on this thing. We're trying to get rid of pretty much all the polish and look on it. And if you guys guessed it, which you may have, we're going to pair them with a set of High Lifter Outlaw Maxes. I'm a big fan of these tires. I think they do good in high speed and slow speed stuff, and being that this bike's on portals, it's not necessarily going to be a super fast bike. It's going to be a good bounty hole bike, going like slow style bounty hole. I shouldn't say bounty hole, but a good trail bike, guys, the way I would put it. Unfortunately, they won't get mounted onto the bike this week, but they are going to get mounted here and taken home. So as soon as we get suspension put on it, when we get the suspension back from powder coat, we'll get them mounted on, and you guys will get to see what it looks like then. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So guys, that's gonna wrap up this episode. Next episode on the Renegade build will be the full assembly of it. So we'll reveal the powder coat color, pretty much reveal everything on the bike that's being done to it. I shouldn't say it'll be the full build. There might be a couple things that aren't done to it yet, but it should be pretty close to the final step. As you see, we got these 35s, 20-inch MSAs. When my big son here stands next to them, you know, give you an idea how tall they are. They're tall tires, man. He's super tall. Just kidding, he's short. He gets it from his dad. But thanks a lot for watching, guys. Catch the next episode and see what color we picked on it.